Jai Gurudev. Welcome. Good evening. Let's turn on our cameras. Let's sit comfortably and easily with our mats. Let's sit comfortably, quickly, and let's begin. शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. Let's sit with our back straight, our hands on our knees, our palms up towards the sky. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा, हाथों को घुटनों पर, हथेलियां आकाश की तरफ. Let's take a normal breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in once more and slowly close your eyes. धीरे से अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें. Now slowly and gently let's chant Om 3 times right here. Om का उच्चारण करेंगे 3 बार यहाँ. Let's take a normal breath in. Slowly exhale. Breathe in once more and gently let go. And now for Om, breathe in. Om के लिए सांस लें. Om. Once more, breathe in for Om. Om. Last time, breathe in for Om. आखिरी बार ओम के लिए सांस लें. Om. And relax. विश्राम करें. मन को शांत होने दें. Let your mind settle down. Now slowly and gently, let's get ready for Bhastrika right here. Let's sit in Vajrasana comfortably if we can. That's it. Hands in position for Bhastrika. Let's take a normal breath in. Eyes are closed. Breathe out. Breathe in one more time. And slowly exhale. And now, for the first round of Bhastrika, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. विश्राम करें. Continue to breathe in and out right here. Observing your body. सांस लेते रहें और सांस छोड़ते रहें और अपने शरीर की तरफ सतर्क रहें. Slowly now, let's get ready for the second round of Bhastrika. Hands in position for Bhastrika, back straight. Let's take a normal breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in once more and gently let go. And now, for the second round of Bhastrika, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. Vishram kare, relax. Observe your breath, observe your body. Slowly now, let's get ready for the third round right here. Hands in position once more. And gently take a normal breath in and breathe out. Breathe in once more and gently let go. And now for the third round of Bhastrika, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. Slowly bring your hands down and breathe. All right, now slowly come out of Vajrasana. Massage your ankles, your legs if you need to. And slowly taking your time, you may now open your eyes once more. All right, welcome back. Now right here for our warm-ups today, we're going to do some Surya Namaskars. Just 2 rounds, not too many. So let's slowly stand up and let's come to the edge of our mat. Take it off and let's stand up. All right, let's come to the edge. Feet slightly apart. Let's get ready directly. We're using Surya Namaskars as warm-ups today. So gently, feet apart. Breathe in, take your hands up. Breathe out, bring it down. Namaste. Breathe in, go up and back. Hasta Uttanasana. Breathe out, go down. Hasta Padasana. Right leg back, Ashwa Sanchalan. Left leg back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Ashtang Namaskar, go down. Bhujangasana, come up. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ashwa Sanchalan, right leg. Left leg, हस्त पादासन, हस्त उत्तानासन, नमस्ते, नमस्ते, हस्त उत्तानासन, हस्त पादासन, अश्व संचालन, लेफ्ट लेग, right leg, chaturanga dandasan, hold the breath, ashtang namaskar, go down, breathe out, breathe in, come up, bhujangasan, adho mukshwanasan, heels down, ashwa sanchalan, left leg, right leg, hasta padasan, hasta uttanasan, namaste. One more round right here, namaste, hasta uttanasan, hasta padasan, go down, right leg back, Ashwa Sanchalan, left leg back, Chaturanga Dandasan, hips up, Ashtang Namaskar, go down, Bhujangasan, come up, Adho Mukshwan, heels down, head between the biceps. Very nice, Malti ji. Slowly now, Ashwa Sanchalan, right leg, Hastapadasan, left leg, Hasta Uttanasan, Namaste, Namaste, Hasta Uttanasan, Hasta Padasan, left leg back, Ashwa Sanchalan, right leg back, hold your breath, Chaturanga Dandasan, keep the hips in line with your shoulders. Ashtang Namaskar, go down. Very nice. Bhujangasan, come up. Adho Mukshwanasan. Left leg, Ashwa Sanchalan. Right leg, Hastapadasan. Hasta Uttanasan. Namaste. Let's close our eyes, take a few breaths right here. Just breathe right here with gratitude. कुछ सांसें बस यहाँ पे हाथ जोड़ते हुए एक शुक्रिया अदा के भाव के साथ. Now slowly and gently, let's bring our hands down and gently come back to the center of our mat. धीरे से मैट के सेंटर में आ जाते हैं. Very nice. Let's bring our feet together. We're going to do Urdhva Tadasana. Slowly breathe in. Take your hands, place them on your head. Now breathe in and stretch your hands up and come up on your toes. एड़ियों को उठाते हुए हाथों को ऊपर ले जाएं. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Now hold and go up a little bit more. थोड़ा और ऊपर जाएं. एड़ियों को और उठाएं. Now slowly breathe out, hands on the head, relax. Gently bring your hands down. As you breathe out, keep your feet together. Once more, we're going to breathe in, take both our hands up, interlock the fingers, stretch the hands up, palms up, हथेलियां आकाश की तरफ, कोनियां सीधी. Breathe in And as you breathe out, bend to the right side. Squeeze the hips. Your legs are one piece and your upper body is bending to the side. Bend down a little bit more. Slowly come back to the center and to the left. दूसरी तरफ. Slowly come back, center. And as you breathe out, take your hands down, relax. Now right here, let's get ready for Warrior 2 and Warrior 3. Gently increase the distance between your feet, 2.5 to 3 feet. That's it. Now slowly your right foot, 90 degrees to the right, left foot inwards, body facing the front. Sharir aage ki taraf. Breathe in, take your hands up. Breathe out, bend your right knee, look to the right side. Make sure your upper body is not sliding to the left. Bring it back to the center. That's it. Now slowly place your forearm on your right thigh. Take your left hand overhead. If your hips are not in line, increase the distance and increase and take your left leg back. Bring the hip down. Slowly come back. Slowly straighten the knee. Breathing out, take your hands down, toes to the front. Let's do this now on the other side. Left foot, 90 degrees, right foot inwards, body to the front. Breathe in, hands up in line with the shoulders. Breathe out, bend your left knee, look towards your left hand. Body in the center, knee in line with the ankle. Soumya, bring your knee back a slight bit. Go, yeah. Now slowly place your forearm on your thigh. Gently breathe in, take your right hand overhead. Now if the hip is lifting up, increase the distance between your hands. One straight slanting line. Excellent, Sunita ji. Slowly come back to the center. Gently straighten the knee. Breathing out, bring your hands down, toes to the front. Slowly, let's walk our feet in. Shake your legs out. Now right here, let's get ready to do Warrior 3. Now in Warrior 3, just a quick recap, this is what it looks like. Warrior 3, you face the side, you take your hands up, bend forward, find your balance, lift the back leg, hold. This is Warrior 3. So let's do this. Slowly take your right foot, turn to the right side. दाएं तरफ पहले करेंगे, दायां पैर आगे, शरीर दाएं तरफ. Now slowly breathe in, take your hands up, stretch up. Breathe in once more, and as you breathe out, bend forward, gently bend your right knee, find your balance, lift the left leg up. Straighten both your knees, दोनों घुटनों को जितना सीधा रख सकते हैं रखें. Lift your leg up from the back. Come on, lift it up a little bit more. Very nice. Slowly bring the leg down, take your hands up. Gently breathe out, bring your hands down from the sides. Relax. Now let's do this on the other side. Slowly turn to the left, left foot forward. बाएं पैर पहले आगे, बाएं तरफ करते हैं. Slowly breathe in, take your hands up. Breathe out, bend forward. Bend your left knee, find your balance. दिशा को टिका के रखें. Lift the back leg up. Straighten the knees. घुटनों को सीधा करें. Balance, hold. पीछे का leg is one piece. Keep that knee nicely locked. Very nice, Pranav-ji. Hold, Alka-ji, good. Slowly bring the leg down, take the hands up. Gently bring your hands down from the sides and relax. Very nice. Excellent. Slowly, let's come back to the center, facing the front, feet slightly apart. Kati Chakrasana karenge. Breathe in, take your hands up. Breathe out, only the upper body twisting to the right side. शरीर का सिर्फ ऊपर का हिस्सा दाएं की तरफ मोड़ें. Push your right foot into the ground, twist a tiny bit more. Feel the twist in your back, in your stomach. Slowly breathing in, come back to the center. And as you breathe out to the left, only the upper body twisting to the left. Push your left foot down, twist a tiny bit more. Be mindful that the distance between your hands, your arms, stays the same throughout. Slowly breathing in, come back to the center. And as you breathe out, take your hands down, relax. Very nice. Now right here, let's get ready to do Utkat Asana, but with our knees together, feet together, and hands up. So let's come into position. Bring your feet together, knees together. Remember, even when you're in the pose, when you go down and sit down in Utkat, keeping your knees together and pushing them with each other will help you balance. So make sure you try to do that. So slowly breathe in, take your hands up, fold it together, Namaste upar. Breathe in once more, and as you breathe out, sit back on your imaginary chair. Sit back and hold body, upper body upright as much as possible. Push the knees together, push the knees together. Very nice, Meera ji. Slowly breathing in, come up. Breathing out, take your hands down from the sides and shake your legs out. Shake them out and let's get ready for Skandasana now. So you have two options in Skandasana. One is that you use your hands to go from left to right, or you just get up and go from left to right, depending on the kind of strength that you have. That's right. That's the way to do it, Alka ji. So when you go down, remember that when you get down here, your toes are pointing up, your foot is down, and then when you lift up, you get up and you go to the other side, point the toes up, foot down. Same other side. Now you can do this without support, or you can use your hands on the mat, right? So do whichever one you're comfortable doing. Now let's go down, breathe in, and as you breathe out to the right, go down. Breathe in, come up. Right. Left. Very nice. Last time, right. Left. Last time, come on, you can do this. That's it. Slowly go down, gently sit down. Keep your hips down on the floor. Stay like this. Left foot is bent, right leg is straight. Now slowly come back to the center of your mat in the same position. Hold your left leg with your right hand. Now the idea is to bring the shoulder in front of this knee. कंधे को घुटने के आगे लाते हुए यहाँ झुकना है, ताकि आपका हाथ जो है वो यहाँ तक पहुंच सके. अगर यही झुकेंगे तो यहाँ से you can't go down more. So remember, if you keep your knee bent and you take your body down towards the leg, you can't actually bend and turn your body. But if you bring it forward, twist it and try to hold, you might be able to hold your foot. So right here, let's try this. Seated twist, seated side bend rather. Hold your leg, gently breathe in, and as you breathe out, make an effort to take the shoulder in front. Very nice, Sugandha ji. Now slowly breathe in, take your left hand to the right side,
towards your foot. If you can hold your foot, great. If not, just hold where you can. अगर पैर पकड़ रहे हैं तो अपने शरीर को ट्विस्ट करते हुए ऊपर देखिए. Slowly come up, take your left hand up, and breathing out, bring it down. Now let's do the same thing on the left side. Let's stretch out the left leg, bend the right. With your left hand, hold your right leg. Here again, you're going to make an effort to take the shoulder in front and place it down, twisting the body so your arms can go sideways. Right? शरीर को ट्विस्ट करते हुए कंधा आगे लाएंगे ताकि आपका हाथ पैर की तरफ जा सके. Let's try this. Gently hold your foot, breathing out. Take your shoulder down. Look up. Breathe in. Take your right hand to the left side. Try to bring it as close to your foot as possible. Now slowly take your right hand up. Gently bring the hand down. Slowly straighten out both your legs. Let's open them to the sides. Very nice. Now right here, let's catch our breath, but while I explain what we have to do next. So now we're going to try to lift our legs by keeping our hands on the floor. Both your palms, आपकी दोनों हथेलियां mat पर, on either side of your right leg. अपने हथेलियों को मैट पे राइट पैर के दोनों तरफ प्लेस कर दें ऐसे. Knee straight रहेगा. Your knee will remain straight and you're going to lift your leg up and down for 5 and then hold for 5. Your back is straight, your hands are on the mat and you just have to lift the leg, but keeping the knee straight. Yes? So let's do this now 5 times. Hands in position. Gently breathe in. Lift your leg. To the side, down. Lift it up, down. Without the help of your hands, up, down, up, down. Last time, up and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take it down. Did anybody feel that? If you felt it, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, that's it. Let's do this on the left now. Palms on the mat between your left leg is in the middle. ठीक है? हथेलियां mat पर दूसरी तरफ. Now 5 times and hold. Breathe in, up, knee straight, down. Don't touch the ground. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Last time. Up and hold. 5. Keep your knees straight, Gargi. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Whew. Amazing, but let's make this a little bit harder. Let's do both legs now. So let's place our palms on the front now. In front of us, both palms down. Now we're going to try to lift both legs. All right, so let's start. And hold for 5 if we can. That's it. Very nice, Shanti ji. Up, down, up. Try to use your legs to raise, not your back. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Shake your legs. Shake the thighs, especially the thighs. Shake the muscles out right there on both sides, dono taraf. Now slowly bring your legs in. Dandasana. Hands on the sides. Let's get ready to row the boat. Boat को row करेंगे, फिर हम पश्चिमोत्तानासन करेंगे. Hands on the sides, back straight, fist made of the hand, muthi bana le. Gently breathe in, and as you breathe out, go forward, row the boat. Breathe in, come up, breathe out, go down. Up, पूरी तरह से नीचे. Up, पूरी तरह से नीचे. Up, go down all the way. Pull your toes in, down. 3 more times. Down. Down. Last time. Down. Now slowly breathing in, come up, relax. Now let's get ready for Paschimottanasana. If you have a cushion, you can sit on the edge of the cushion to keep your back straight. If not, that's fine. You can take out the extra skin on the sides of the hips to the sides. Keep your back completely straight and take your hands on the sides. Breathe in, take your hands up, stretch up. Lengthen your spine. Breathe in once more, and gently as you breathe out, bend from the waist, go down. Drop your hands wherever they reach. Push your back, keep it straight. If your head is touching the knee, the idea is that the chest is touching the thigh. Pull your toes in, hold. Remember, you can do Ujjayi breathing. As you breathe out, you can go down a little bit more. Relax. Use Ujjayi breath to go deeper. Now slowly relax. Relax your hands. Gently breathing in, take your hands up. Let's take our hands down from the sides. Relax. Let's do the counter pose right here. Quickly, let's do tabletop. Bend your knees, place the feet on the floor, hands besides your body. हाथों को साइडों पे. Slowly breathe in, lift your hips, your lower back, middle back off the floor. Drop your head back. सर को पीछे छोड़ दें. Hips को squeeze करते हुए और उठाएं. Lift your hips up a little bit more. Hold, keep your shoulders strong. Slowly bring your body down. Gently bring your knees in. Hug your knees and relax. Relax and breathe right here. Long deep breaths. And slowly now, let's take our time, but let's lie down on our stomach. धीरे से पेट के बल लेट जाते हैं. Chin on the floor, hands on the sides of the body. Gently go down. Let's get ready for Ardha Shalavasana right here. Slowly, hands on the sides. Breathe in, lift your right leg off the ground. दाएं पैर को उठाएं. Lift your right thigh also. Knees straight. Gently breathing out, bring your leg down. Slowly now on the other side. Gently breathe in, lift your left leg, hold. Slowly breathing out, bring the left leg down. Now let's get ready to do this on both sides. Gently tuck your toes in. Tuck your fists in under the body. Gently breathe in and lift both your legs off the ground. That's it. Squeeze the hips, lift a little bit more. Now slowly, very nice, Soumya. Breathing out, take your body down. Relax once more. Slowly bend your knees, hold your ankles. Let's get ready for Dhanurasana. Squeeze your shoulder blades, get a better grip on your ankles. Now slowly breathe in and lift your body upper and lower as much as you can and hold. Breathe. Slowly breathing out, bring your body down. Gently relax. Feet slightly apart, take your hands in front overhead, bend the elbows, place both your palms down one on top of the other and rest your head on that. Makarasana, a variation of Makarasana. Just breathe and relax right here. Breathe, relax. Now slowly and gently, taking our time, using the help of our hands, let's turn and lie down on our back. Let's get ready for Setu Bandhasana right here. Bend both your knees, place your feet on the floor, hands on the sides of the body. Now slowly breathe in, lift your hips, your lower back off the floor. Adjust your feet, पैरों को adjust करें, घुटने के ऊपर pressure हटाएं. Take your hands underneath, interlock your fingers, roll your shoulders, lift your body a little bit more. Amazing for toning of the front part of the body. Hold. Slowly take your hands out. Gently bring the body down. Slowly straighten your legs once more. Now slowly and gently, let's get ready for simply bending our knees and doing a twist while lying down. Taking your hands to the sides of the body in line with the shoulders. Bend your knees, place your feet on the floor. Now slowly breathe in, and as you breathe out, drop your knees to the right side. Your knees are not together, your feet are not together. Look to the opposite side. Feel a stretch on the left side of your left thigh. Slowly breathing in, come back to the center. And as you breathe out, drop your knees to the left and look to the right. Slowly breathing in, come back to the center. Slowly straighten your legs. Bring your hands to the sides and relax in Shavasana for a few breaths. You may close your eyes. Every incoming breath energizes the body, and every outgoing breath relaxes the body more and more. Feel that relaxation with every exhalation. All the weight that you are carrying, all your weight of your body, just drop it down onto the mat on which you are lying. शरीर का जो भी भार है,
सब कुछ मैट पे बस छोड़ दें। विश्राम करें। Let's take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Breathe in once more and slowly let go. Om Shanti 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 hai. एक और गहरी सांस लें और छोड़ें। और धीरे से अपने दाएं तरफ मुड़ते हुए कुछ सांसों के लिए वहीं रुकें। Slowly turn to the right side of your body and stay there for a few breaths. Now slowly, using the help of your hands, you may slowly sit up once more. Sit comfortably and easily. आराम से बैठ जाएं. Let's do a few rounds of Nadi Shodhan on our own right here. कुछ राउंड नाड़ी शोधन के करते हैं अपने आप. Back straight. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Right hand in Nasigla Mudra. A few rounds with honor and respect for your own practice and this age-old pranayama. Right here. Last round right here. आराम से बैठ जाएं. Whenever you're done, slowly bring your hands down onto your knees. Sit comfortably and easily. आराम से बैठ जाते हैं. And let us begin this beautiful meditation together.
Something in us that is expanding and that is contracting. When we are happy, there's something in us that expands. When we are unhappy, कुछ है हमारे भीतर वो सिकुड़ जाता है. उस पर हम अभी ध्यान करते हैं. Let us sit comfortably easily. आराम से बैठ जाइए. Let's keep our spine erect. and gently close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए, शरीर को स्थिर रखें, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें। Let's take a deep breath in and let go. एक गहरी सांस लेते हैं और छोड़ते हैं। इस वक्त शरीर को स्थिर रखिए। Let's keep our body still just for few minutes. Maybe 3-4 minutes. We will keep our body still. 3-4 मिनट के लिए हम शरीर को स्थिर रखेंगे, हिलेंगे डुलेंगे नहीं। दोनों हथेली आकाश के ओर है। यू आर कीपिंग बोथ पाम्स ओपन। दोनों हथेली खुली है। खुली हुई हथेली आपकी गोद में है, आपके घुटने के ऊपर है। The palms which are open to the ceiling is placed on your knees. Now let's take our attention to our left palm. Left palm, बाएं हथेली पर अपना ध्यान ले जाएं। जैसे आपने अपना मन को बाएं हथेली पर थाम लिया हो, as though you're holding your mind, your spirit on your left palm. Keep your attention on the left palm. You may feel some sensations in the forearm or in your biceps. जैसे हम अपना ध्यान बाएं हथेली पर रख रहे हैं, हाथ भारी लग सकती है, कुछ संवेदनाएं उठ सकती है, दर्द सा हो सकता है। As you place your attention, your stress hormones are already going out. You may feel little heaviness in your forearms or on your biceps. Let it be. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And now we are shifting our attention to our right palm. अब आंखें बंद रखें, बाएं हथेली पर अपना मन को लेके आ रहे हैं। पूरा ध्यान बाएं हथेली पर, जैसे मन को बाएं हाथ से थामे हुए हो। As though you are holding your mind in your right palm. Gently bring your attention to the right palm. Your right hand may feel heavier. Little more attention on the right palm. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. You may breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in and breathe out. Now let's take our attention to a central thread in the body. Just imagine there is a central string a tiny string, a shining string in the middle of your body. शरीर के बीचों बीच एक मध्य नाड़ी है, तंतु है, ऐसे समझो। The vagus nerve, which moves through the whole body, controls every function of our body. शरीर के बीचों बीच एक वेगस नर्व है, मध्य नाड़ी है, उसी से पूरा शरीर संचालित होता है। यह अद्भुत नाड़ी है। The vagus nerve is the most mysterious nerve in our body. This moment our body is still. Our breath has started becoming rhythmic. Mind is quietening down. Let it happen. Your consciousness or mind is thinner than air, subtler than air and water. It can spread around and flow in all directions. हमारी चेतना हवा से भी सूक्ष्म है, जल से भी तरल है, फैल जाता है चारों ओर। उसको फैलने दीजिए। Let your consciousness spread around in all directions. Let's take our attention to the top of the head. सिर के चोटी पर ध्यान ले जाएं। A tiny dot on the top of your head is where we are going to put our attention. Incoming breath is energizing the body, while outgoing breath brings relaxation. अंदर आते वक्त सांस शरीर को बल प्रदान करे, तो बाहर निकलते वक्त विश्राम दिला देता है, आराम करा देता है वही सांस। Let go of all your efforts. Let the mind spread in all directions. मन तरल है, उसको चारों ओर फैलने दीजिए। Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Neither stop them nor hold on to them. जो भी विचार आ रहे हो इस वक्त आने दीजिए, ना इसको रोकना है ना इसको पकड़ना है। जो हो रहा है होने दे। Whatever is happening right this moment, let it be. This moment, our body is still, our breath has become feebler, the mind is expanding and relaxing. Let it be, let it happen. Take another deep breath in and let go, relax. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़ते छोड़ते विश्राम की ओर चले। विश्राम की ओर। Become aware of the vast space you are in, millions of stars and galaxies. And become aware of the microcosm. अति सूक्ष्म जगत जीव जंतु है और स्थूल ब्रह्मांड अनेकों तारे सितारे पृथ्वी सूर्य माँ भी है। This moment there is nothing to do, nothing to know either. इस वक्त जानने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं है, इस वक्त ना करना की कुछ है। केवल विश्राम, केवल विश्राम। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस छोड़िए। Breathe in with a big smile. If you find some tension somewhere, just let it be. इस वक्त ना कुछ करना है ना ही कुछ जानना है, सिर्फ बने रहना है। जस्ट बी, जस्ट बी, जस्ट लेट एवरीथिंग बी। ढीला छोड़ दे मस्तिष्क के एक एक कण को विश्राम में जाने दे। Let every cell of our brain start relaxing and expanding. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते एक और सांस ले। ब्रीद इन विथ a smile and let the smile percolate to the brain. Every cell of the brain should start smiling now. Let the feeling of smiling continue to go deep inside to the back of our head. जैसे सिर के पीछे का भाग भी मुस्कुरा रहा हो, पूरा सिर मुस्कुरा रहा है। इस भाव से विश्राम करें और धीरे धीरे मुस्कान को कंधों में, छाती पे उतारिए। Let the smile percolate through your throat and chest and the whole body. Relax and let go. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे। Let go of all your efforts. Let the mind expand. Let it be. Let it be. सभी प्रयत्न छोड़ दे। And slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाए। एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते लीजिए और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस छोड़े और आंखें खोल सकते हो. Slowly and gradually you may breathe out, and as you breathe out, you may gently open your eyes.
Jai Gurudev. Sometimes no words are needed. All right. With that, thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you.
Thank you
The
so
moment
much.
you feel you are able to do asanas better, something difficult comes then.
Sorry?
The moment you feel